Hi guys, just going to do another short maths clip today. We're going to focus on subtraction. We're going to focus on column subtraction. And again, I've got an easier question and a harder question for you. So I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to have a go at them on your own, see if you can solve them, and then we're going to go through them all together. Okay, so I've got a really important checklist of things that I need to do before I get started with my subtraction. And luckily, I've written them down already. So, we're going to do these 4 things, but we need to follow them in order. So, number 1, can I take away the ones? Now, it's really important that we get our place value right. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. As you can see on here, I've done my 10s in green and my 1s in blue. So can I take away the 1s? And what I mean by that is if I hold up 7 fingers, can I take away 5? So let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yes, I still have 2 fingers left, so I can take them away. So 7, take away 5, we've just figured that out, is 2. So if I go back to my rules, can I take away the 1s? If not, then I need to go on to the next rule. If I can, I just carry on. So, 7 1s take away 5 1s is 2 1s. We've done that really easily. 4 10s, remember I'm in the 10s column now. 4 10s take away 1 10 is 3 10s. Or 40 take away 10 equals 30. And that's it. On an easy subtraction question, that is how simple it can be. Take away the 1s, take away the 10s. But the trickier questions is when you don't have enough 1s to take them away. So I'm going to go back to my rules. Can I take away the 1s? Let's check. 1 1, take away 6 1s. Right, if I've got 1 1 and I take it away, I haven't got any more 1s to be able to subtract any more. So I'm going to have to follow my next steps. Number 1, can I take away the 1s? If not, move on to the next step. Cross out the 10s. Okay, that's fine. I'm going to cross out the 10s for my first number, for 81. I'm going to cross it out. I've done that, so I'm going to move on to my next step now. Make it 1 less. So by that, I mean I'm going to make my 10s 1 less. So if I've got 8 10s, I'm going to make that now 7 10s, because 1 less than 8 10s is 7 10s. Next, I need to move it over to the 1s. So by that, I mean I'm going to move the 1 10 that I've taken away from here. So I've taken away 1. I'm going to move it over here and I'm going to add 1. So I'm going to take that 1, shuffle it across, and I'm going to put it into my 1s pile. But I have to remember that 1 10 is the same as 10 1s. So actually, my 1 becomes a 10 in the 1s column. Because it becomes 11. So 11 take away 6. I can do that. If I put 11 in my head and I take away 6, I will get an answer. So I'll give you a second to work that out. So 11 take away 6 is 5. And I can do 7 10s take away 3 10s, or 70 take away 30. 7 10s take away 3 10s is 4 10s. So my answer is 45. Again, really simple when you follow the process. So my first thing that I need to do, can I take away the 1s? If not, move on to number 2. Cross out the 10s. Next step, make it 1 less. So make the 10s 1 less. Move it to the 1s, and then you can start doing your takeaway, can't you? A way to check this one, because sometimes we get a little bit muddled up when we are doing taking away, is to do something called the inverse. And what that means is that you can do an addition question to make sure that your subtraction is right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my answer and add one of the numbers. So 45 add 36. It's really important that I don't add the biggest number. That's my hold, isn't it? So 45 add 36. I'm going to put that into the column method. Okay. What we are looking for now is the first number that we had. So we had 81. That was our first number that we had. So I'm going to add the ones first. Remember, that's how we do it. If you're struggling with the addition, go back to the video that I've already made. What 5 ones add 6 ones is 11 ones. 4 tens add 3 tens is 7 tens, which is the same as saying 70. Add my totals together. 1 add 0 is 1. Add my tens together. 1 10 add 7 tens is 8 tens. Did we get back to having 81? Yes, we did. That's how we know that the inverse works. Have a go with your own two numbers. Make sure your biggest number is always at the top when you are practicing this. So make two numbers, for example, 43 and 26. Have a go at taking them away. Have some fun with it, guys. What I'm going to do is leave this on for a few seconds so that you can write this down yourself. Remember to check that you are going by step by step. Don't jump to ahead. Step by step. Enjoy it, guys.